सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 11, verse number 33. तस्मात् त्वमुत्तिष्ठ यशो लभस्व जित्वा शत्रून् भुङ्क्ष राज्यं समृद्धम्. मयैवैते निहताः पूर्वमेव निमित्तमात्रं भव सव्यसाचिन्. Lord Krishna teaching to Arjuna about the Brahma Vidya, by which Vidya, that knowledge, Brahma Jnanam, one can attain Shreyas. Shreyas means good. Whatever is auspicious, good for oneself, that is only through Brahma Vidya, Atma Jnanam. In that alone the Shreyas is hidden. While giving this self-knowledge to Arjuna, Lord Krishna has to deal with many topics. In many areas he has to cover. Among so many topics, one topic is Ishvara Swarupam. Ishvara Swarupam means the nature of the Lord, the nature of Ishvara. Knowing the nature of that Ishvara is that topic which includes in Brahma Vidya. Knowing who is God, whom I am worshipping every day, that Lord is there somewhere up above lokas, we think. But what knowledge we got about the Lord means very vague knowledge. Every day we worship the Lord, we ask so many things, but about that Lord we don't have any clear-cut picture. We have some vague ideas about that God. From decades we are worshipping. Therefore, Lord Krishna knows this problem. Arjuna also is having the same problem. Arjuna, may you know my nature. So from 7th chapter onwards, Lord Krishna elaborately explaining the nature of God. Who is God? Where is God? What is His nature? From 7th chapter onwards. 7th chapter of what? Bhagavad Gita. What we are studying? Bhagavad Gita. 7th chapter, 8th chapter, 9th chapter, 10th chapter, even 11th chapter also, Ishvara Swarupam, Bhagavan is on and on explaining untiringly. So, finally he has shown his Vishwarupam, universal form. What is his form? Universe itself is his form. That's why Vishwam eva Rupam Yasya, whose form is nothing but universe. That is called Vishwarupam. Wherever Arjuna is seeing, Lord Krishna alone is there. He is not able to see even directions. Beginning and end he is not able to see. And he is not able to see where he is standing also in this Brahmanda. Astonished, then frightened. Surprise, wonder, then slowly what? He is not able to see continuously. Bhayam, fear. Because of that fear, oh Lord, you are so powerful. Let me surrender. Bhakti. So, Vibhrama, Bhaya and Bhakti. Vibhrama means astonishment, wonderstruck, then fear, then comes Bhakti. Because Lord is almighty, all powerful, all knower. Therefore, Bhakti has taken place. Oh Lord, who are you? Tell me. I am the time principle who came here to swallow the whole creation now. Kalaha asmi. Kshayakrit svabhavaha. What is my nature? I alone manifest the whole universe. Because of me alone whole creation sustains. Again into me alone the whole creation dissolves. As the creation emerges, time principle comes. Desha Kala comes. As I swallow, time, space also I swallow. To make you all to move, if I pull the carpet enough, I need not shake you. I need not move you. I want to make you to shake or make you to move. What can I do? Just on the carpet pull panna, whole thing, all of you will move. Like that, the Kala principle, if I swallow, along with Kala, Drona, Bhishma, Karna, all are coming into my Kala Vaktram, mouth, swallows. Therefore what? You are an instrument in my hand. Just do whatever I say. I say means what? According to Dharma. Therefore, in this 33 shloka, Lord Krishna is telling, Nimitta matram bhava, may you become an instrument in my hands. Fight in this battle and get name and fame, enjoy the kingdom. Yashola bhasva uttishta jitva shatrun, by conquering the enemies. Rajyam bhungshva samruddham rajyam, a prosperous kingdom may you enjoy. But you are not struggling anything. I have already finished. You are only just namke vasti, namesake. Because I am the one who is the propeller, instigator. I am just standing. You are like a instrument in my hands. Through you I am doing this job. Therefore, Arjuna, maya eva ete nihataha. All this Bhishma, Drona, Karna, Dusyasana, Duryodhana already killed by me. Nihataha. They are all already destroyed by me. They are only skeletons standing there. They are only just like that standing because their prarabdha is over. Why they are all destroyed by me? Their prarabdha karma is over, exhausted. This is the time for them to vacate the place. Maya eva nihataha. What you are going to do? Nimitta matram bhava. Don't teach me the terms. Hey Arjuna, don't teach me the terms, because this is the Kala Chakra, Dharma Chakra, that Karma Chakra, Dharma, Karma. The karma is that prarabdha karma has to finish. That is called dharma. Adida nyayam. Their karma, prarabdha karma is over. They have to go. That is called dharma. Yedi dharma, what do you mean by dharma? Dharma is nothing but karma. What do you mean by karma? Karma is nothing but accepting their prarabdha is over. Why you want to stop this prarabdha? Because they have done the karma. That karma has finished now. And the karma finish ஆகிறதே ஒரு தர்மம். அந்த தர்மம் நான் finish பண்ண வேண்டிய என்னுடைய கடமை அது. அதனால you and I cannot stop because their prarabdha is over. Let us be instruments, because I am the Ishvara, you be, and because I know that you do not know. They have already killed by me. They have already killed by me, that I know. Why? I am Ishvara. But you do not know. Therefore what? You have to listen whatever I say. I am the all-knower. You are nothing. You do not know what is going to happen next moment. We do not know. Therefore surrender to the Lord. Unpredictable, unchangeable, unavoidable. Surrender to the Lord. That is called nimitta matram bhavan. This nimitta matram only we are analyzing in the last class. Nimitta matram na instrument anartham. This word may confuse people and they mistake this word nimitta matram. There is a possibility of a wrong corollary. That wrong perception should not take place. Nimitta matram, how we should understand. Nimitta matram, Bhagavan is the all-knower. He knows what to do. I am just doing according to His will. I don't have any will. My fate எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படி நடக்கும். அவருக்கு தான் தெரியும் எல்லாமே. So this is called fatalism. Whatever is going to happen will happen. Nothing is in our hands. There are people, group of people talk like this. Say, நம்ம கையில் என்ன இருக்கப்பா? நம்ம கையில் என்ன இருக்கு? எல்லாம் பகவான் கையில் தான் இருக்கு. அவனின்றி ஓரணவும் அசையாது. கரெக்டாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா? நிமித்த மாத்திரம் பவன். We should not take like that. If I take in such that way, அவனின்றி ஓரணவும் அசையாது. ஸோ எப்படி எழுந்திருக்கோ அப்படியே நடக்கும், நடக்கட்டும். Therefore what? Therefore, if எனக்கு கீதா கிளாஸ் போக வேண்டியது இருந்தானே போவேன், இல்லைன்னா if I have that ஜாதகம் ராத இருந்தா I will go to class. If I am going to get this job, it will come. அதுக்கு நமக்கு வர வேண்டிய இல்லைன்னா வராது. This is called fatalism. If this fatalism I accept, what will happen? There are 6 doshas will come. What was the first dosha we saw? Is Ishvarasya samsaritva dosha. First dosha. Whatever karma is done, this I am instrument. Lord is the user of the instrument. I am instrument in the hands of whom? Ishvara. So Ishvara is the one who is using the instrument. Who is that instrument? Myself. Isn't it? Now, what is the problem? Lord hands, I am the instrument. I, the instrument, don't have any choice. அவர் எப்படி சொன்னா நான் அப்படி ஆடுவேன் இல்லையா? I am puppet in the hands of the Lord. Then whatever I do, that instrument I am, I don't get any punya pap. I don't get any punishment. Who is going to get the problem? Ishvara. Because I am instrument. எனக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியாது. See, whenever you use the car, if a car goes a wrong side or left side, no, wrong side it goes. Who will punish? Car is punished or driver is punished? Car is not punished. Driver alone is punished. Why? Car is an instrument. Driver is the user of the car. So driver only is punished and he will be charged. Similarly, Bhagavan is the user of me. I am the instrument. Therefore, if I not தப்பு பண்ணாலும் கூட இந்த தப்பு பலம் யாருக்கு போகும்? பகவானுக்கு. I am safe. I am safe. This what? Again, Bhagavan Ishvara gets samsaram. Samsaram what? All problems will come to Bhagavan. And the Ishvarasya samsaritva doshaha. If a criminal does a crime, and what he says, our criminal appada, he went to that court and he said he has studied this nimitta matram bhavasavya sachin. Half Bhagavad Gita knowledge he has got. He told to that judge, he gave the punishment, rigorous punishment. Then this criminal said, why you are giving punishment to me? I have not done anything that is done. I am the instruments in the hands of the Lord. Lord alone panna vechittar in the madri nu sonna udane. And the judge says, I am not giving punishment to you. I am giving punishment to your body. My body alone did, he said, criminal. My body alone did mistake. I have not done. Then the judge also had read the Bhagavad Gita. I know, I am not giving punishment to you. I am punishing your body. Who did crime? And the madri, Bhagavan only become the criminal, no? Amma pannitanna Bhagavan mele you can tallidam apdiye. So samsaritva doshaha varum. We should not come. We are only responsible. Instrument and mina don't take literally. This comes under fatalism. Fate da ellame vidhinapi harinapi harenapi lalata rikita reka parimartum na shakyate. No one can change whatever எழுதிருக்கு இல்லையா, என்னோட தலை எழுத்து யூஸ் பண்றான் இல்லையா, என்னோட தலை எழுத்து என்ன பண்றது என்ன? Who said? That is escapism. Escapism. That's why people hold on to this ஜாதகம். அவன் ஜாதகம் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கான்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? அவன் ஃபேட் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். So ஜாதகம், people are running here and there. They depend upon the fate. Totally depend on the fate. So Ishvarasya samsaritva doshaha. Second defect is, if we are the instruments in the hands of the Lord, we will never acquire punya papa. Correct? We will never acquire punya papa. Like this desk will never acquire any punyam or papa. This mic also will never acquire any punyam papa. என்ன இது இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் தான், அதுக்கு என்ன புண்ணிய பாப்பம் வரும், இதுக்கு என்ன புண்ணிய பாப்பம் வரும்? அப்போ நான் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் தானே, எனக்கு என்ன புண்ணிய பாப்பம் வரும்? எனக்கு புண்ணிய பாப்பம் வராது. Therefore, if I am free from punya papa, I don't have any samsara problem. Jivasya asamsaritva doshaha. Jivasya asamsaritva doshaha. The individual is free from janana, marana, samsara, chakram because he has no punya papa. But what is our experience? Sankalpanna, what we say, mamopata samasta duritakshaya dvara Sri Parameshwara Prityartham. I have lot of duritam mahapapam. இதென்னமோ பண்ணிருக்கேன் என்ன ஜென்மாலோ, இதெல்லாம் போக்குறதுக்காக நான் பூஜை பண்ணிருக்கேன்னு சொல்றோமா இல்லையா? சங்கல்பம் பண்ணும்போது ஆவணி ஆவட்டம்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா, இது துரிதக்ஷய துவாரா. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? துரித்தம் இருக்குன்னு தானே அர்த்தம். தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட் சங்கல்பா யூ ஆர் டூயிங், யூ ஆர் நாட் ஆக்செப்டிங், யூ ஆர் த இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட். புண்ணிய பாபா இருக்கு. That is our experience. If I accept Bhagavan alone is the cause, I am the instrument and chonna, I become asamsari. Jeevasya asamsaritva doshaha. And the dosham varakkoodadu. Adanala fate angiradhu we should not accept. Free will we have to accept. Okay? What is third dosha? In this argument, Bhagavan alone created everyone. Bhagavan alone is the cause. I am the only instrument. Suppose I say God alone makes some instruments to do good. God a creator, no? He only created me as instrument, no? But instruments, why some people do good? Why some people do bad? Why some people do good? Why there are some Bin Ladens? Why there are some Saddam Husseins? Why there are some Mahatmas? All people can born equally as Mahatmas if this is Bhagavan's creation. Bhagavan alone created, Bhagavan alone, his desire alone, he made this whole creation. Chonna. He should have created everyone as good. No mosquitoes. Idhukku mosquitoes create pannanum. Kashtam kudukanum. Why diseases he has to create? Everyone health. No health center not required, no. Health centers edukku? Ellame healthiya. Everyone equally good people create பண்ணலாம் இல்லையோ? ஒரு பேட் பீப்புள் கிரியேட் பண்ற பகவான் ஒரு பகவானா இல்லையோ? That's what people ask questions. If this is Bhagavan's creation, how some people do good, why some people do bad? What answer you give? ஒன்றும் தெரியாது சுவாமினி. அதுக்கு தான் படிக்கணும் பகவத்கீதை. புரியுறதா? பகவான் வைஷமிய தோஷம் வந்துடும். Disparity. If I accept Bhagavan alone is the cause to make some instruments and some people to do good things. Good actions பண்ணு. பீஷ்மர்னு அவரை கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டார். துரோணர்னு அவரை கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டார். கர்ணர்னு அவரை கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டார். Arjuna also born from the Lord only. Suppose you accept. Why Dusyasana to do bad things? Why Arjuna to do good things? அப்ப என்ன disparity தானே, வைஷமியம் தானே. There is no uniformity. Partiality is there. Vaishamya doshaha will come. If Bhagavan creates exactly whatever he wants, what we say? Bhagavan never create good people or bad people. Good people are born because of their good karmas. Bad people born because of their bad karmas. Bhagavan has no Vaishamya dosham. If I take myself as instrument, Bhagavan only is the cause. Bhagavan and the partiality dosham will go to him. Bhagavan partial and sollalama? Sollakudadu illiyo? Dosham varum illiyo? Adinala nimitta matramanna we should not take literally. Therefore, Ishwarasya Vaishamya doshaha. God is partial. Anna dosham vandadum. Pakshapati Bhagavan. Bhagavan and Pakshapati ni sollama? Sollakudadu. Therefore, we should not accept. What? Nimitta matramanna, I am the instrument in the hands of the Lord. Annadu, we should not take it literally. Adu eppadi paakkanum appuram solren. Okay? Vaishamya doshaha, partiality. He is a capricious God. I know. Capricious God. We don't want such God. எதுக்கு அவருக்கு எனக்கு பார்ஷியாலிட்டி இருக்கு, அவருக்கு பார்ஷியாலிட்டி இருக்கு, அவருக்கு எதுக்கு பூஜை பண்ணணும், அபிஷேகம் பண்ணணும்? Who will worship such a God? Tell me. Who will worship? Therefore, we are worshipping God means he must be free from partiality. இல்லையா? Fourth defect is, if Lord alone is the cause for all the things whatever are happening here, what is the fourth defect? Some people are suffering with congenital diseases. Some people are born with good health, good stamina. And some people born with nice food, with golden spoon. Another person born not even with a plastic spoon. No spoon. Spoon edukku food illaiye spoon enna pannuva. Some people are born without food. In the Somalia and all, you go there and see. You see the picture also. Wow, the small kids. And their skeleton you can see with, there are no food to eat. Even bread also not available. Some places, people are throwing lot of wheat in the ocean. Milk in the ocean. Australia countries, if you go there, they are getting lot of milk. Now America, if you go, they are throwing lot of wheat in the ocean. இப்படி பண்ணலாமா பகவான்? அவருக்கு கருணையே இல்லையா? Why some people have to starve? Why some people have to suffer with the diseases? Why he has to create this cancer disease? பயங்கரமான ஒரு டிசீஸ். அந்த பேர் சொன்னாலே தூக்கம் வராது. பயாப்சிக்கு அனுப்பிட்டான்னா பயாப்சி பயம். வாட் இஸ் வை இட் இஸ் கால்ட் பயாப்சி தெரியுமோ? பயம் கொடுக்கும் பயாப்சி. That which gives bhayam, creates bhayam, is called biopsy. One lady is telling, some biopsy they sent to that test, and she is telling, Swamini, ஒரே பயமா இருக்கு, எப்போ வரப்போறது, என்ன ரிப்போர்ட் வரப்போறதோ. Why? Who created? Bhagavan alone is the cause for all. அவருக்கு கருணை இருக்க, தயை இருக்க. சச்சு தயை இல்லாத ஒரு கடவுள் நமக்கு வேணுமா? அது பேர் என்ன டைட்டில்? தயா சிந்து, கிருபா சாகரா. இந்த டைட்டில்ஸ் யாரு கொடுத்துருக்கா பகவானுக்கு? கிருபா சாகரன்னா ஓஷன் ஆஃப் கம்பேஷன். தயா சிந்து, கிருபா சாகரா. These titles will become what? Meaningless. If Bhagavan is, that is called Nairghrinya dosham. If Bhagavan is the cause for all these sufferings in the world, Bhagavan will get dosha of Nairghrinya doshaha. Ghrina means compassion. Nirghrina means uncompassion. Nirghrinasya bhavaha nairghrinyam. Nairghrinyasya bhavaha. Nirghrinasya bhavaha. People never think of those consequences. If they negate their free will and everything is Bhagavan. Vidya Madhya. சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? விதியா மதியான்னு ஒரு பட்டிமன்றம். ஓகே, இது ஒரு பட்டிமன்றம். என்ன பட்டிமன்றம்னா விதியா மதியா. விதியான்னா ஃபேட், மதியான்னா ஃப்ரீ வில். ஐ கேன் டூ ஆஸ் ஐ விஷ். ஐ கேனாட் டூ எனி திங். பகவான் என்னுடைய தலை எழுத்துன்னு சொன்னது ஃபேட், விதி. ஸோ இந்த விதியா மதியா பட்டிமன்றம்ல இப்போ இந்த தோஷங்கள் எல்லாம் வரும். இஃப் ஐ ஆக்செப்ட் விதி அலோன் இஸ் த காஸ், ஐ ஹாவ் நத்திங் டு டூ வித் திஸ், பகவான் அலோன் இஸ் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் சொன்னா ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ஆல் திஸ். பகவான் பிகம்ஸ் அன்கம்பேஷனேட், நைர்கிரண்ய தோஷா. சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த கான்சிக்வன்சஸ் எல்லாம் யோசிக்கணும். கஷ்டம் இருக்கும்போது ஒன்று சொல்லுவான், உனக்கு காது இல்லையா கண் இல்லையான்னு பகவான் கிட்ட கேட்குறோம் நம்ம போய். காவின்றி கூவினால் ஓலமிட்டேனே, உனக்கு காதே இல்லையான்னு. உனக்கு காது கொடுத்துனது நானு தான், சாஸ்திரம் படிக்க சொன்னேன். போய் நீங்க படிக்காமலே உட்கார்ந்தா நான் என்ன பண்றதுன்னு சொல்லார் பகவான். நானும் காவின்றி கூவினான் என்ன சாஸ்திரம் வேதா. யூ ஆர் நாட் ஹியரிங் மை வேர்ட்ஸ், my teachings you are not listening. I am not responsible for that. Okay, Bhagavan also knows. Okay, then fifth dosha is, suppose Bhagavan alone is the cause, I am instrument. Now when I use one instrument, car, vehicle, the rules and regulation, traffic signal to be followed by car or driver, not by the instrument car. Car alone is the instrument. Driver எப்படி சொன்னா அப்படி போகும். Driver is the puppet user. Car is the puppet in the hands of driver. அப்போ காரு should need not know the rules and regulations. Who should know? Driver only knows. Similarly, I am the puppet in the hands of the Lord. I need not study Dharma Shastra because I need not know any Vidhi Nishedha rules. Why? Because I am the instrument. Who should study Shastra, Dharma Shastra? இது பண்ணணும், இது பண்ணக்கூடாது, இதுதான் நல்லது, இது நல்லது இல்லைன்னு யார் படிக்கணும்? பகவான் படிக்கணும். அந்த தர்மசாஸ்திரம் யார் உண்டு பண்ணது? பகவான். பட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? அவர் பண்ண தர்மசாஸ்திரமே அவரே படிக்கணும் இல்லையோ? The rules, regulations, Bhagavan only created, Bhagavan only has to study. I need not study. That means Bhagavan do not know Dharma Shastra. You should know when he is using every instrument. Dharma Shastra Vaiyarthya Doshaha. Dharma Shastra is not meant for me. Meant for whom? To the Lord. So I need not study Manusmriti, Yajnavalkya Smriti. I need not follow any values because it is his problem, Bhagavan's problem. Why I need not study even Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga, Enakille Amanitvam, Adhammitvam. What are all these values I need not study? Let Bhagavan study. Avaru kuda college ku poganum, pustakam vechindi padikanum. Enna dharmam eppo use pannanum, traffic rules madiri. Bhagavanukku thevaya. The one who has created the whole Dharma Shastra, all knower of Dharma, is it necessary for that person to study Dharma Shastra? Not only that, for me, the human being, I violate all Dharma and I need not study Dharma Shastra. It's redundant, ridiculous. So therefore, Dharma Shastra Vaiyartham means Vyartha Dosham. Vyarthasya Bhavaha Vaiyarthyam. Dharma Shastra Vaiyarthya Dosha. Nobody study. No need of police station, no need of court, no need of civil law, criminal law. All these codes and all you can ban. வெச்ச கூட பகவான் வந்து படிக்கட்டவன்னா அவர் படிக்கட்டும், தப்பாயிடும், தோஷம். But we have to follow Dharma Shastra. Dharma Shastra meant for me, not for Bhagavan. Therefore, fate we should not accept, free will we have to accept. What is the last and final one? Moha abhavaha. If I am the instrument, I have no choice. I am the instrument in the hands of the Lord. Car doesn't have a choice today. It has to go to Music Academy or to go to Adayar or Anna Nagar. Car ku enna choice irukku? Who is having choice? Driver. Yajamana is having choice. Therefore, car doesn't have conflict also. Inikku enge ponum ani car ku conflict e kediyadu. Who is having conflict? And the driver who is driving. Similarly, if I am the instrument in the hands of the Lord, I have no conflict. I have no choice because other than a user, he uses me as he likes. Conflict ella avarku da. In the instrument in the aalana eppadi use pannanonu avarku da problem. Not for me. I am free from choice. Since I am free from choice, I am free from conflict. No choice, no conflict. No conflict, no choice. Because I don't have any free will. Because I am instrument. He is the user. So he is only having what? Conflict. Who? Bhagavan. Bhagavan conflict irukuma? If we accept Bhagavan as nimittama, I am nimitta matram, Bhagavan alone is the cause for everything, Bhagavan will get that conflict dosha. Bhagavan alone is having choice, Bhagavan alone is having conflict, dosham, moham. Confusion, dane. This is not our experience. Are we free from conflict? Are we free from choice? The dog don't have any choice. Today bread சாப்பிடலாமா, இட்லி சாப்பிடலாமா? டாகுக்கு ஃப்ரீ வில் இருக்கா? சாய்ஸ் இருக்கா? A cow doesn't have a choice today, let me go to Woodlands Hotel or China restaurant. Cow doesn't have a choice. Therefore, choice illa pavam nu solluvom. What next? Since it doesn't have choice, it doesn't have conflict. Adi plus point. Today what dress should I wear? Pattu saree-ya, inda saree-ya? Adu kavukku dogukku enna conflict irukku? இந்த தீபாவளிக்கு என்ன வாங்கணும்? கவுக்கு நோ சாய்ஸ், நோ கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட். அதுக்கு கான்ஃப்ளிக்டே கிடையாது. எவ்ரிடே கிராஸ். அமெரிக்கா கவ் ஆல்சோ ஈட்ஸ் வாட்? கிராஸ். ஆஸ்திரேலியா கவ் கிராஸ். நான் ஆஸ்திரேலியா பிறந்தேன், சைனால பிறந்தேன், லெட் மீ ஈட் கொஞ்சம் மீட். என்ன கவ் நெவர் பிளான். இந்த ஹியூமன் பீயிங் தான். இந்தியாவில் பிறந்தாலும் போய் அங்கே போய் காக்ரோச்சு சாப்பிடுவான். இந்தியாவில் பிறந்தாலும் கூட போய் அங்கே பரப்புறது நடக்கிறது எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்றான்னா எதுக்கப்பா? ஐ ஹவ் சாய்ஸ், ஐ ஹவ் ஃப்ரீடம். இதான் ஃப்ரீடம். தட்ஸ் வை கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட். ஐ ஹவ் லாட் ஆஃப் கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட். I joined in a job which gives 40,000 salary. Next day another offer came. After giving all certificates to this company, 40,000 salary. In the company gives 60,000. What to do? Conflict, oh conflict. After selecting one girl, nice girl, cute girl, very nice family, everything. And another girl is more cute than this girl. Conflict. ஐயோ நேற்று தான் முகூர்த்தம் எல்லாம் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோமே. அப்புறம் பார்த்தா இன்னொரு நல்ல பணக்காரன பையன், பணக்கார பொண்ணு வருதே. என்ன கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட். ஏன்னா நிறைய சாய்ஸ் இருக்கு. இப்போ கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட் நமக்கா இருக்க பகவானுக்கா? இஃப் வி ஆர் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்ஸ் வி மஸ்ட் பி ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட். பட் வாட் இஸ் அவர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்? அப்பா கான்ஃப்ளிக்டோ கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட் சுவாமினி. இன்டிசிசிவ்னஸ், டெசிஷனே எடுக்க முடியல. பையனுக்கு கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட் இருக்கலாம். இந்த அம்மாவுக்கு எதுக்கு மாமியாருக்கு கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட்? என்ன இந்த பொண்ணு மருமகளா வரட்டுமா, அந்த பொண்ணு மருமகளான்னு இந்த அம்மாவுக்கு கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட். எல்லா விஷயத்திலும் கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட் we are facing. That means what? We are not instruments. That means what? We have choice. That means what? We have choice, therefore we have conflict, therefore we have free will. Whether to do this way or that way, I have choice. That is why I am facing conflict every day. Therefore, Bhagavan is moha abhavaha, jivasya moha abhavaha. Conflict free individual dosha vandadam. If I am instrument, I am a conflict free environment. But it is illogical. It is my anubhavathige வெதிரேக்கமாக இருக்க, contradictory to my experience. Therefore, this is the sixth dosha will come if I accept the fate. Therefore, final, what is the conclusion? Then, why Vyasacharya used this nimitta matram? அவர் ஏன் நிமித்த மாத்திரம் சொல்லணும், இவன் நம்ம ஏன் படிக்கணும் என்ன? That meaning you have to understand. Nimitta matram, why Vyasacharya used, is how do you explain this word, this line? We should explain in such a way, we should be able to retain the free will. Free will ni retain panninde explain pannanum nimitta matram word. இந்த free will retain பண்ணாமலே explain பண்ணக்கூடாது. அப்போ என்னென்ன அர்த்தம்? ஃப்ரீ வில்லும் இருக்கு, பட் அட் த சேம் டைம் ஐ ஆம் நிமித்த மாத்திரம். ஹவு டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஐ ஆம் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் இன் த ஹேண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் த லார்ட், அட் த சேம் டைம் ஐ ஹாவ் ஃப்ரீ வில். ஹவு டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? என்ன வெரி வெரி சட்டில் பாயிண்ட் வி ஹாவ் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். இந்த இன்டர்பிரிட்டேஷன் இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஹவு டு வி சே? Lord Krishna says, why we are able to argue in this much? Even Shankaracharya don't write all these things. The overall bhashyam paathu we have to analyze this. And other commentators, all of them, they write And Lord Krishna said one word in 6th chapter. அது எங்கே நடந்ததுன்னு ரொம்ப நாளுக்கு முன்னாடி. இப்போ 11th chapter, 6th chapter இப்போ சொன்னதே நமக்கு லாஸ்ட் வீக் லெசனே ஞாபகம் இல்லைன்னா 6th chapterல என்ன சொன்னார் பகவான்? உத்தரேத் ஆத்மனாத்மானம் ஆத்மானம் அவசாதயேத். 6th chapterல பகவான் said, you are the master of your own life. Uddharet, you have to uplift your own life. You should not look down upon yourself. You should not destroy your life. You should uplift your life, O Arjuna. Uddharet atmana atmanam. உனக்கு நீயே அப்லிஃப்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்பான்னு. ஆத்மனா ஆத்மானா பை யுவர் செல்ஃப். யூ ஹாவ் டு அப்லிஃப்ட் யுவர் செல்ஃப் பை யுவர் செல்ஃப். இது எப்படி? somebody should uplift us. நமக்கு நம்ம எப்படி அப்லிஃப்ட் பண்ணிக்க முடியும்? இல்லாஜிக்கல் இருக்கு இல்லையோ? இட்ஸ் நாட் illogical, it is illogical. Not illogical but illogical. That is what is proper interpretation used here is free will is such a way that தர்மசாஸ்திர வையர்த்திய தோஷம் வரக்கூடாது. ஓகே, ஈஸ்வரஸ்ய நைர்கிருண்ய தோஷம் வரக்கூடாது. ஜீவஸ்ய அசம்சாரித்வ தோஷம் வரக்கூடாது. ஈஸ்வரஸ்ய சம்சாரித்வ தோஷமும் வரக்கூடாது. அதே சமయంలో I have to surrender to God. What is going to happen will happen. I surrender to God after using my free will. Whatever dharmic action is the God's will. Use your free will, take effort. That free will also should go along with dharma. Your free will should go along with dharma. To your inner conscience. எனக்கு இது தப்புனே தெரியல, உனக்கு உள்ள தெரியும் தப்புன்னு. எப்படி தெரியும்னா, வாட் எவர் ஐ டோன்ட் லைக் அதர்ஸ் டு டூ டு மீ, ஐ ஷுட் நாட் டூ டு அதர்ஸ். இந்த தர்மம் தெரியாதா? தெரியும். మరి ஏன் பண்றேன்னு? யூ டூ பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் யுவர் லைக்ஸ் அண்ட் டிஸ்லைக்ஸ். In spite of knowing dharma, everyone knows. Even small baby knows. If you stick this chocolate without telling the baby, papa, yeah, you are doing wrong. Yeah, without my permission you are pulling the chocolate. The baby knows. What Dharma Shastra baby has studied? Nothing. That means inbuilt. Dharma Shastra is inbuilt in every human being, including some animals. They have that. Territorial, no? Territorial. Dog will not allow the another dog to come into that territory. You be in your own place, I am here. Don't come to my place. That's dharma. Dog also knows. What to talk of human being? Why we violate dharma? Because only one reason. I have attachment and aversion. Raga, dvesha. I like certain things. For those things I violate dharma. I don't like certain things, therefore I want to push away them. Therefore I violate dharma. I use my likes and dislikes. They play the predominant role. And raga, dvesha, likes and dislikes play the predominant role, and this dharma becomes subservient. Tappani theriyum, aanalum Duryodhana said, Janami dharmam nachame pravrittihi. Enakku theriyum what is dharma, but I don't want to follow. Janami adharmam nachame nivrittihi. I know what is adharma also. Cheating Pandavas, adharma, I know. Sending Pandavas to Forest, adharma, I know. But I cannot stop. Why? Lot of kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsaryam. Arishad vargas are overpowering Arjuna's intellect. The same way you look into Dharma, Yudhishthira, Dharmaputra. Then Bhima went to get water for all Pandavas. One serpent just binds that Bhima and he loses his conscience. And other Pandavas one by one is coming and trying to touch the water, to take water. And that water, when they are taking, they are drinking, and everyone is fainted. Finally, Yudhishthira went there. And one Yaksha he saw there. Yaksha, Devata. And the Devata asked, if you want all of your brothers, you have to answer to my questions. And if you want, which brother you want, first tell me. Which brother you want? Then Yudhishthira said, Madri's sons I want. And my mother, Madri mother, my second mother, Madri, her son should be alive. Either Nakula or Sahadeva. He didn't ask for Bhima. He did not ask for Arjuna. He asked for either Nakula or Sahadeva. Why? He is free from Raga, Dvesha. Yudhishthira. That's why Dharmaputra. His name is called Dharmaputra. Raga, Dvesha are not overpowered. Because from Pandava's side I am there. For my mother, Madri's side, ஒரு பையன் இருக்கணுமே. Even while going to Swargarohanam time also, he was very much worrying about Nakula and Sahadeva, not even Bhima and Arjuna. What a character, no? That's why Yamadharma Raja Amsha. Yamadharma Raja la Yamanada namak gnapaka irukkum. Dharmam gnapaka irukadu. Our per Dharma Raja. Yamavanna who follows all disciplines. That's Yama Dharma Raja. அதனுடைய அம்சம் அவருடைய அம்சம் தான் தர்மபுத்திர. So how see beautiful. Whole Mahabharata you see nothing but values. Dharma Shastra. At the same time Moksha Shastra. And that's why Shanti Parvanlo Moksha Parvamane irukku taniya. அது பகவத்கீதை மேல பெருசு. 1500 ஸ்லோகாஸ் இருக்கு. 15 chapters, in more than 1500. There are so many shlokas. Therefore, nimitta matra means lead a dharmic life and artham. You align your free will with God's will is called nimitta matram. Align your free will with God's will. God's will is what? Dharma is the God's will. நமக்கு வில்லு இருக்கும்போது ஏதோ வில்லுன்னு சொன்னா அது எதோ வில்லு ஆஸ்தி அந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி வில்லு பற்றி சொல்லலை நான். வீல் நாமான்னு சொல்லுவேன் இல்லை, ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி வேணும் யார் ரைட்டிங் வீல்லு அந்த வில்லு இல்லை சொல்ல. இங்கிலீஷில் வில். ஃப்ரீ வில் மீன்ஸ் ஐ ஹாவ் எ சாய்ஸ் டு டூ திஸ் வே ஆர் தட் வே ஆர் டு டூ இன் எ அதர் வே. நாட் டு டூ ஆல்சோ ஐ ஹாவ் எ சாய்ஸ். தட் இஸ் கால்டு ஃப்ரீ வில். புருஷ பிரயத்னம், புருஷார்த்தம் இட் இஸ் கால்டு. ஸோ when I am having free will, God is also having his free will. God's free will is nothing but dharma. So my free will should align with God's will, dharma. It is called nimitta matram. Arjuna, may you make your free will to be aligned with Lord's dharma, that is free will. That means what? Your free will, if you align with my will, you are nimitta matram. Follow dharma anartha. Dharma is that which is benefited to many number of people. Dharma is that which is beneficial to many number of people. beneficiaries are more in my actions. That is called dharma karyam. Beneficiaries are very, 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 very less than adharma karyam anartha. Therefore, this battle is a dharma karyam. Violence is permitted when you have to protect dharma. Therefore, that is not a violence. Violence is accepted in certain occasions. It is not adharma. Therefore, all our gods are holding what? Weapons. For what? To establish dharma. Establish dharma. Therefore, Arjuna, may you align your free will in keeping with dharma, not to your raga, dvesha. நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் எல்லாம் பண்ணும்போது இது தப்பா ரைட்டா, விதி விஹிதம் ஆர் நிஷித்தம். I like smoking, I do smoking. I like liquor, I drink liquor. I eat meat because I like, I have attachment. I have aversion, what? To get up early morning. I don't want to get up. I have aversion to take bath early morning. I don't want to take. I have aversion to go to temples and all. I don't like. And very great way they say, I don't like all this worship and all. That means what? Aversion. But what Shastra says? Worship the Lord. Pancha Maha Yajna. Get up early morning, take bath, go to temple. Adida pidikadu enakanna. Poch. That means what? God's will ki you are not aligned with another. You are not benefited. Your children are also not benefited. And whole society is not benefited. Therefore, Arjuna, follow whatever said in Shastra. How to know what is said in Shastra? Aluksha dharma kamasyuh yatha te teshu varteran tatha teshu vartetha. Look at the people, great people, how they are following, how they are living. Follow them. Or if they are not available, your manasakshi, antakarana pratyaya, go according to that. You know internally what is good. But never go by your raga dvesha. You will never get moksha if you go along with your raga dvesha. அது கஷ்டம் ஆனாலும் கூட, இப்போ இந்த யுத்தம் பண்றது கஷ்டம் ஆனாலும் கூட, you have to fight. Because you have attachment towards Drona, Bhishma. Therefore you want to run away from battlefield, it is wrong. And you want to take sannyasa, that is also wrong. Because it is not dharma. Because you are a kshatriya, you are a grihastha. Therefore, don't go like that, don't do like that. Hey Arjuna, கண்ணா நான் சொன்னது மாதிரி கேளு சொன்னார் பகவான். அதுதான், see, my will is dharmic. Your will also should align with me. How do you know my will is aligned with Bhagavan or not? There is no strain inside. There is no pain inside. There is no guilt, no hurt. If I go according to my raga, dvesha, I do actions and I violate dharma, there will be a pain inside, there will be a strain inside, there will be a guilt, a hurt slowly comes. That is the sign I have gone adharmic anartha. If I am a dharmic, I am enjoy the peace, harmony, happiness. This is the sign, indication. Therefore, your fate is not decided by the planets. They are only indicators. Rahu, Ketu, all, we are afraid of Rahu, Ketu. Papa, அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவாரு? நீ பண்ண வேண்டிய அக்கிரமம் எல்லாம் பண்ணி Rahu மேல we are shouting at the Lord. They are all indicators. They are showing your karma phalam. You have done this type of karma, good karma, bad karma. You have done good karma, these are all good consequences. You have done bad karma, these are all bad consequences. There are signals, indicators. If I follow traffic rules, who is the beneficiary? I am the beneficiary. If I follow dharma, I am the beneficiary. Similarly, Arjuna, if you follow dharma, you are the beneficiary. Whole society is beneficial. Therefore, do your kshatriya dharma. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 34. Dronancha bhishmancha jayadrathancha karnam tathanyanapi yodhaviran maya hatam svam jahimam yadhishthaham yuddhasva jetasi rane sapatnan. How to be free from raga dvesha? Be objective towards the situations. The more you develop objectivity, the more you reduce the subjectivity. Don't see from your perception. Subjectivity means I look at those things, situations only from my perception. This is called subjectivity. And I imagine. I create lot of imagination matter. This is called what you can call our own projection. That is called projection. By your own projection, by your own imagination, you develop such subjectivity and you look at the things from such glasses. அப்படி கண்ணாடி போட்டி சப்ஜெக்டிவ் கண்ணாடி போட்டுட்டு யூ see the projecting the things in a different way. So that very very difficult to see the abstract dharma. Be objective. Be objective means what? Don't be subjective. Don't project your thoughts on that. See it as it is. The more you see objectively, objectivity is increasing more and more, you are going more dharmic anartha. Your subjectivity, raga, dvesha are feeble. That is good for you. But people generally, they are overpowered by raga, dvesha. I like this. I hate this. இந்த சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து இப்போ ஸ்டார்டிங் ஆகிடுச்சு. நம்ம எல்லாம் பெருசாக ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் ஏதோ லைக்ஸ் அண்ட் டிஸ்லைக்ஸ் அதையும் கிடையாது. இப்போ இல்லைன்னா ஐ டோன்ட் லைக் சின்ன சின்ன குழந்தை கூட ஐ ஹேட் இட். ஐ டோன்ட் லைக் கூட கிடையாது, ஐ ஹேட் இட். அந்த துவேஷ பாவம் சின்ன வயசுலேருந்தே வருது. டு யூ லைக் திஸ் பனானா? ஐ ஹேட் பனானா. இந்த பனானானுக்கு எதுக்கு ஹேட் பண்ணணும்? ஐ டோன்ட் லைக்னு சொல்ல மாட்டேன், ஐ ஹேட் பனானா. தேர்ஃபோர் ஐ ஹேட் இந்தியா. ஸோ வாட்? ஐ லவ் அமெரிக்கா. ஓகே, லவ். I am love with America. இப்போ என்னாச்சு? So therefore, this is what? You love America for what? Dollars. I have attachment towards dollars. I have aversion towards this India poverty. That is free will? No. Dharma. Api swarnamayi lanka name Lakshmana rochate janani janma bhumicha swargadapi gariyasi. When Lakshmana asked Rama, why we have to go to Ayodhya? Let Bharata rule. Let us stay in Lanka itself, full of gold. Enga paathalum gold anna. Rama said, even Lanka is a golden city. Api swarnamayi lanka name Lakshmana rochate. Hey Lakshmana, I never like. Janani janma bhumischa, my motherland is so great. Swargadapi gariyasi. So my land, my dharma, my culture is wonderful. Therefore what? I study Bhagavad Gita. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।